Have you ever looked at a cargo ship? These colossal vessels are marvels of modern engineering, silently gliding across the vast oceans, connecting continents and economies. They're like floating cities carrying thousands of containers. Each container is a small world of its own, filled with goods that are essential to our daily lives. Inside those containers, everything you can imagine. From the simplest household items to the most complex machinery, these containers hold the lifeblood of global trade. From clothes and food to electronics and cars. Each item has a journey, a story that begins in one part of the world and ends in another. The world relies on these ships. They are the arteries of our global economy, ensuring that goods flow smoothly from one port to another, but the ocean is a powerful force. It is unpredictable and often unforgiving, presenting challenges that test the limits of human ingenuity. Waves crash, storms rage. The sea can be a formidable adversary with its towering waves and fierce winds. How do those containers stay on board? It's a question that combines the art of engineering with the science of physics. It's a question of engineering and physics. Engineers have devised intricate systems to secure these containers, ensuring they remain stable even in the roughest seas. A delicate balance between nature's fury and human ingenuity. Imagine a giant bathtub. Now put a smaller plastic container in it. Easy, right? Now put a smaller plastic container in it. Easy, right? The container floats effortlessly, bobbing gently on the surface. Now start rocking the bathtub back and forth. The water sloshes, creating waves that push the container around. The container moves around, maybe even tips over. This simple experiment mirrors the challenges faced by cargo ships on the open sea. That's what ships are up against, but on a much larger scale. The ocean is vast and powerful, and the stakes are incredibly high. The ocean is the bathtub and the containers are the cargo. Each journey is a test of endurance and resilience. It's a constant battle against the elements. Yet through it all, these ships continue their voyages, ensuring that the world remains connected and supplied. Ships are designed to withstand the ocean's tantrums. Their hulls are specially shaped to cut through waves. Think of a knife slicing through butter. The shape helps the ship stay stable, even in rough seas. But that's just the beginning. Inside the ship, there's a network of ballast tanks. These tanks can be filled with water. By adjusting the water levels, the crew can balance the ship perfectly. Imagine a seesaw. If one side is heavier, it goes down. Ballast tanks are like adjusting the weight on the seesaw. They keep the ship level, no matter the load. It's a bit like a magic trick, but it's pure science. Now let's talk about those containers. They're not just thrown on board randomly, there's a science to it. Heavier containers go at the bottom, lighter ones on top. This keeps the ship's center of gravity low, making it more stable. Think of a pyramid. It's wider at the base for a reason. Same principle applies to ships. But it's not just about weight. The containers are also arranged carefully. They interlock, creating a strong, unified structure. It's like a giant Lego set, where each piece fits perfectly. This interlocking design helps distribute the forces acting on the ship, keeping everything in place. Section 4, Lashings and Twist Locks, the unsung heroes of container shipping. But wait, there's more. The containers are also secured with special equipment. Strong steel rods, called lashings, are used to tie the containers together. These lashings are incredibly strong, able to withstand immense force. And then there are twist locks. These are heavy-duty locking mechanisms that attach the containers to the ship's deck and to each other. Imagine trying to lift a heavy object with just your hands. Now, imagine using ropes and clamps to secure it. That's what lashings and twist locks do for containers. They provide that extra layer of security, ensuring that even in the roughest seas, the cargo stays put. Section 5, When the sea rears its head, understanding container mishaps. Now, even with all this technology, sometimes things go wrong. The ocean is unpredictable. Despite the advancements in maritime technology, the sea remains a formidable force. Ships are equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems, weather forecasting tools, and robust engineering. Yet, the ocean's sheer power can sometimes overwhelm even the best-prepared vessels. Storms can be stronger than expected. Weather forecasts can predict storms, but their intensity can still surprise. A storm that was expected to be mild can suddenly escalate, catching the crew off guard. Waves can reach towering heights. These waves, sometimes called rogue waves, can appear without warning and reach heights of over 30 meters. They can crash against the ship with immense force, causing significant damage. In these extreme conditions, containers can sometimes be lost at sea. The lashing and securing systems, designed to keep containers in place, can fail under such extreme stress. When containers are lost, it not only represents a financial loss but also poses environmental hazards. It's a rare occurrence, but it does happen. Most voyages are uneventful, with containers safely reaching their destinations. However, the rare instances of container loss remind us of the unpredictable nature of the sea. Recently, a cargo ship encountered a massive storm in the Pacific Ocean. The storm was one of the worst in recent years, with winds reaching hurricane strength and waves towering over the ship. The waves were enormous, tossing the ship around like a toy. The crew struggled to maintain control as the ship was battered from all sides. The sheer force of the waves made it difficult to keep the ship on course. Despite the best efforts of the crew and the technology in place, some containers were dislodged and lost overboard. The crew worked tirelessly, but the storm's intensity was too much to handle. The loss of containers was inevitable. It was a stark reminder of the power of nature and the challenges faced by those who work at sea. The incident highlighted the bravery and resilience of the crew, who faced the storm head-on. It also underscored the need for continuous improvements in maritime safety and technology to better withstand such natural forces. Section 6. Beyond the Horizon: The Importance of Maritime Knowledge. Understanding how containers stay on ships is about more than just satisfying our curiosity. It's about delving into the intricate world of maritime logistics, where every detail matters. From the way containers are stacked to the precision of their lashings, each element plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of global trade. It's about appreciating the complex systems that keep our world running. These systems are the backbone of international commerce, enabling the seamless movement of goods across vast oceans. Without them, the global economy would come to a standstill, and the availability of everyday products would be severely impacted. Every time we buy a product, whether it's a simple household item or a high-tech gadget, wear a piece of clothing or use a smartphone, we are directly benefiting from the intricate dance of engineering, physics, and human skill that takes place at sea. This dance involves not just the ships and their crews but also the ports, the logistics companies, and the countless individuals who work behind the scenes to make it all possible. We're benefiting from the intricate dance of engineering, physics, and human skill that takes place at sea. This dance is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to solve complex problems. It's a marvel of modern engineering that allows us to connect continents and bring the world closer together. The next time you see a cargo ship on the horizon, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of it all. Think about the journey that ship has undertaken, the challenges it has faced, and the vital role it plays in our daily lives. Take a moment to appreciate the marvel of it all. It's not just a vessel moving through water, it's a symbol of human achievement and our relentless pursuit of progress. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome challenges. The engineers, the sailors, and everyone involved in maritime operations work tirelessly to ensure that these ships can navigate even the roughest waters. It's a reminder that even in the face of nature's power, we find ways to connect, to transport, and to thrive. The resilience and determination of those who work at sea are truly inspiring. We find ways to connect, to transport, and to thrive. The next time you receive a package, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. It's a journey that spans oceans, defies storms, and brings the world to your doorstep. Section 7. Join the conversation, share the wonder of seafaring innovation. So, the next time someone asks you, how do those containers stay on ships, you'll have the answer. Share this knowledge. Tell them about the amazing engineering, the physics, and the bravery of those who work at sea. Let's keep the wonder of these floating cities alive.